Hey, want to turn your hour-long podcast or long-form YouTube video into a week's worth of short, snackable clips for Reels and TikTok without losing your mind? I got you. I'm Tim, and in this video I'm going to walk you through two ways to do it. The old-school manual method you might already be using, and a much faster, smarter way using Vizard, an AI tool that basically does the heavy lifting for you. If you don't have a team or a fancy editor, stay tuned because the second method will save you hours. Alright, first we'll look at the manual way that most creators currently use. This method is fine if you only have one video a month, but it really struggles when you try to scale your content. You open your desktop editor and scrub through the timeline searching for those moments that really pop. Next, you mark in-out points, drag them to a new sequence, and adjust the timing for each platform's aspect ratio. Then you have to add captions, which often requires a ton of cleanup, even with auto-transcribe features. After that, you style the subtitles so they look professional and readable on a mobile screen. You export each clip with specific settings, create a thumbnail, manually upload it, and then schedule the post. If you mess up an aspect ratio or miss a caption error, you have to redo the entire export process. It certainly works, but it's clunky, incredibly repetitive, and totally eats up your time. If you're producing 10 to 20 clips a week this way, you are guaranteed to burn out. So that's the reality check on the old way. Now for the good part, let's see how Vizard completely changes this game. Vizard is an AI-first editor designed to turn your long videos into ready-to-post short clips automatically. It's not just a simple splice and dice bot because it actually finds the most engaging parts of your content. It creates vertical-friendly cuts, generates accurate captions, and helps you schedule them across all your social platforms. The three key things I love are that it auto-edits viral clips, auto-schedules them at your desired frequency, and provides a content calendar to manage everything in one place. Honestly, once you get it set up, Vizard handles all the tedious busywork so you can focus purely on content and new ideas. Here's the exact step-by-step flow I use to get clips out fast. First, you sign up, and then you simply upload your long video file. You can drag and drop the file or just paste a link, since Vizard accepts many different sources. You can upload a full podcast episode, a recent live stream, or even a raw YouTube video file. It takes just a minute or two to process everything depending on the length of your original content. Next, you let the powerful AI engine scan through all of your footage. Vizard will automatically detect highlight moments, such as laughs, high energy statements, or complete self-contained ideas. These detected segments are exactly the parts that usually perform the very best as short, shareable clips. You will see a list of suggested clips with timestamps, and the AI even provides each one with a quick engagement score. Then comes step 3, you preview and tweak any of those suggestions. If you want to slightly extend or tighten an edit, you just drag the helpful handles on the timeline. You have the power to split clips apart, merge adjacent highlights together, or simply delete any junk. The AI does the initial heavy lifting, but it thoughtfully keeps everything fully editable so creators retain full control. Step 4 covers captions and styling, which is another huge time saver. Vizard auto-generates the captions for you and perfectly syncs them up with the audio track. The generated captions are usually very accurate, and you can easily edit words in line if anything is slightly off. For styling, there are ready-made presets for all the major platforms, like clean subs for TikTok or bold lower thirds for Reels. You can even create your own custom brand presets for font, color, and logo placement to ensure everything looks consistent. Step 5 is all about aspect ratios and the final export. Vizard automatically formats all your selected clips for whatever platform you choose. This means one source file can instantly become vertical, square, and widescreen clips without you ever running separate exports. You can batch export multiple formats simultaneously in one clean go. Step 6 is where Vizard truly shines, scheduling and publishing. Instead of exporting and manually uploading every single clip, you can activate the powerful auto-schedule feature. You just set how often you want content posted, daily or every other day, and Vizard queues everything into your content calendar. You can preview the whole calendar, easily drag and drop posts to reorder them, and even add platform-specific captions or hashtags. Finally, step 7 is to monitor your results and iterate on your strategy. After your posts go live, you can view detailed engagement metrics right inside the Vizard dashboard. You can instantly see which clips got the most watch-throughs and which hooks perform the best. This crucial feedback trains your own instincts and helps the AI get smarter at picking the right moments for you over time. Now let's quickly cover a few best practice tips that make Vizard even better in real-world use. Always set your desired posting frequency and let the auto-scheduler manage the consistency. I promise you that consistency absolutely wins over the pursuit of impossible perfection. Utilize those brand presets so you never waste time manually restyling the font or color on every single clip. When an AI suggestion is almost perfect, take the 3 seconds to tweak it because that time saved still beats cutting from scratch. For interview or podcast content, focus on exporting concise takeaways or punchy one-liners, as those are the segments that usually go viral. It's important to compare Vizard to other tools, because there are many apps doing only pieces of this workflow. Some tools only auto-transcribe, some only handle captions, and others do automated clipping but charge too much or offer barely customizable results. For instance, some editors offer great manual control but zero automation, which is only good if you enjoy editing. Other AI clip generators might grab random high-energy parts but then deliver inconsistent aspect ratios or captions needing major fixes. And many social media schedulers are great at publishing but don't help you create the clips, so you end up doing double the work. Vizard stands out because it combines the core needs: smart clip selection, clean captions, platform-specific formatting, and scheduling all in one intuitive place. It is not a fancy color grading tool, and you don't get a full non-linear editing timeline like in Premiere. But for efficiently turning long-form content into scalable short-form clips, it offers low effort and high impact. Plus, the pricing model is much more creator-friendly compared to large enterprise-level suites. If you are worried that the AI might make the wrong creative edit, please relax. Everything the AI suggests is still completely editable, and you remain fully in control of the final output. The AI simply speeds up the grunt work and suggests high-probability viral moments for your review. Consider a podcaster who needs to convert every episode into 6 to 10 daily shorts plus audiograms for their socials. Vizard will automatically extract the best takes, provide synchronized captions, and schedule them across the entire upcoming week. Think about an educator or coach with long lessons who wants to push bite-sized tips daily to Instagram Reels. Vizard finds those key teachable moments and formats them perfectly for Reels with beautiful, readable subtitles. Or a streamer or gamer who wants highlight reels without spending hours scrubbing through hours of footage. Vizard instantly detects those hype moments and cuts them into ready-to-post clips immediately. Alright, here are my final thoughts on scaling your content. If you are serious about growing on social media without hiring a full-time editor or losing every weekend to busy work, Vizard is one of the best tools you can try right now. It keeps your unique creative voice and style completely intact. It just scales the distribution part of the process. You still get to be the creative mind. The AI just handles all of the repetitive, boring tasks. So please give it a genuine shot. Upload one video, let the AI suggest the clips, pick your favorites, style them once with the preset, and then schedule an entire week's worth of content. See how those posts perform, tweak your presets based on the data, and then simply repeat the process. Before you even realize it, you will have a steady automated stream of engaging clips going out while you focus on making your next big piece of content. Thanks so much for watching. Good luck, have fun, and if you end up trying Vizard, please come back and tell me how it goes. Peace out!